Have you ever heard of scalar waves? Some people call them Tesla waves. Others say they're the hidden key to free energy, healing, and even communication faster than light. But what exactly are scalar waves, and why do they spark both fascination and controversy? Today we'll dive into the science, the theories, and the mysteries of scalar waves. In physics, most of us are familiar with electromagnetic waves, radio waves, light waves, microwaves. They all have an oscillating electric and magnetic field, moving together through space. Scalar waves, on the other hand, are described as longitudinal waves. Instead of vibrating side to side like light waves, they supposedly compress and expand along their direction of travel, more like sound waves moving through air. The term scalar comes from scalar fields in mathematics, fields that only have a magnitude, not a direction. Think of temperature in a room. At each point, you can assign a number, but there's no arrow pointing anywhere. Scalar wave proponents claim energy can exist in this form, beyond the usual electromagnetic spectrum. Much of the scalar wave lore traces back to Nikola Tesla. In the late 1800s and early 1900s, Tesla experimented with high-voltage electricity, wireless transmission, and resonance. Some interpretations of his notes suggest he worked with longitudinal waves, waves that don't lose energy over distance the way normal electromagnetic waves do. Tesla dreamed of transmitting energy wirelessly across the globe, tapping into what he believed was an underlying medium of the universe. While mainstream physics interprets his work differently, Tesla's legacy became the seed for scalar wave theories. Today, scalar waves are often mentioned in alternative science and holistic health communities. Some claim scalar fields can transmit energy without loss instantly across vast distances, influence biological systems, helping with healing or balance, even interact with consciousness itself. You'll find devices marketed as scalar wave generators, quantum healing tools, or energy harmonizers. Critics, however, point out that most of these claims haven't been proven under controlled scientific conditions. From a mainstream physics perspective, scalar waves, as described in alternative literature, don't exist in the way proponents claim. Maxwell's equations, which govern electromagnetism, don't allow for free propagating scalar waves in a vacuum. That said, there are concepts in advanced physics that sound similar, like scalar fields in quantum theory. The famous Higgs field, for example, is a scalar field that gives particles mass. But that's very different from the so-called Tesla waves. So are scalar waves real physics, or more of a metaphor that captures Tesla's dream of limitless energy? Scalar waves remain a fascinating intersection of science, myth, and possibility. Whether they represent undiscovered physics, misunderstood history, or simply a symbol of human imagination, they continue to spark curiosity and debate. As with any extraordinary claim, it's important to stay open-minded, but also demand evidence. After all, true breakthroughs in science stand the test of experiment and proof. So what do you think? Are scalar waves the future of energy and healing, or just a powerful story about what could be? Thanks for watching or listening. Until next time, stay curious.